Welcome to Amazon 295. Today we unravel the 8 newest gadgets on Amazon. Grab a sheet of paper, fold it, and go. Instantly put yourself in the cockpit of an amazing smartphone-controlled paper airplane that does high-speed tricks. The Bluetooth module, which includes autopilot control, connects to your phone so you can experience the sensation of flying countless paper, foam, and even balsa wood airplane models. Secure your sensitive data with the Kingston ironkey keypad 8GB encrypted USB drive. This cutting-edge device combines robust security features with user-friendly functionality, offering peace of mind for professionals and individuals alike. The alphanumeric keypad allows for easy multi-pin access. This drive stands up to the most stringent security standards. The rechargeable flashlight feature high-efficient constant current circuit. The constant brightness beam without the flashing guarantees the comfortable visual experience. Use a tactical tail switch to power on-off and the electric side switch to adjust the mode and brightness. Easy to get instant turbo by tap the tail switch 2 times when flashlight is off. Take the TD05 tactical flashlight anywhere with a steel pocket clip that can be attached to backpacks, belts, and mall systems for easy access. This small blender for shakes and smoothies adopts the latest technology of magnetic induction. The blades can only rotate properly after the bottle and base are tightened correctly. It do increase the safety for operation. Shiatsu foot massager equipped with 8 airbags units, heat therapy, and deep kneading shiatsu massage providing relaxation for you. Improve circulation, blood flow to increase muscle recovery and help reduce inflammation. This foot massager comes with a wireless remote control, and an LCD smart touch panel. Removable and washable cover, make easy to daily cleaning. The desktop range hood is easy to control. Press the button to choose 2-speed exhaust fan, operate with quick response. Portable kitchen hood is made of recycled ABS material, with matte sandblasted finished, scratch resistant. Portable exhaust fan for kitchen with low noise, less than 6.5 Sones max at the highest speed. Aluminum alloy design with rust-free powder coat makes the box cutter durable and lightweight. 3 adjustable position razor simply slides open for exact cuts. Blade easily retracts to lock safely within the metal frame when finished using. Razor blade replacement is easy with the quick release button. Hand-friendly matting body and ergonomic design upgrade your user experience. Materials comply with environmental protection.
HP Instant Photo Printer. Get beautiful, colorful 3.5 x 4.25 photos with Zinc Zero Ink technology. Instantly print high-quality photos on waterproof and sticky-backed zinc paper with no ink or toner needed. Connect your iOS or Android via Bluetooth and print your favorite photos instantly. With wireless printing, you can quickly print amazing pictures right from your smartphone. HP Sprocket 3X4 even supports multiple users at once. Compact, lightweight design fits in your bag or backpack without issue. Easily take this portable printer on all your photo-taking adventures. Print out unique, vibrant pictures during your travels with this handheld device.